welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this is gonna be an oldie but goodie at this point. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. It's like my 11th box, I think. So here she is. This is another big box, so I'm assuming there's something large in here. I think the winter boxes are probably bigger because they're bigger things in there, like sweaters and coats and stuff like that, possibly. So I don't know, but I don't want to be long about this video, so let's go ahead and get into this box and see what they sent for me this time. All right, so I have cut into the box on today, and let's see what we got. Of course, on top, your return shipping stuff. If you guys like my makeup, I did it on Facebook Live. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. I ended up changing the lip because, honey, the lip, I just couldn't do the lip, honey. But anyway, all your details, your pricing and all that here. I'm just gonna pull out stuff as I go along. All right, so what's this? Oh, okay. So here is the first piece, and like I said, of course it's winter, so you got big, thick pieces. This is like an over sweater thing, and it's kind of a plaid print. This is in a size 2X by the brand Market Spruce. Just a classic, like black and white. It is very high cut, which I don't really care for. I wish this was more of like a cascading cut. Then I would probably love this, but because it's so high cut and there's like no button to keep it closed, I don't know that I'm a fan of that. But there's that. It's super soft. It's probably some kind of wool blend or something. Next, what is this? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So it's a dress. So I actually saw this dress a number of times on my like, do you like this? Do you not like this? And I actually liked the dress when I saw it, but you can't tell like the material and all of that, and you can't really see the patterns all the time. So I don't know how I feel about it in person, but it's like a mesh material and it's a longer length, like a midi length almost. I love the neckline and I love the closure on the back. I think that is very nice. This may be cute on, we'll see. It's a print, so I like prints, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what I thought material that was when I saw it on the do's and, you know, likes and dislikes, but. Oh, here's another thing that I saw on the likes and dislikes part. It's a little jumpsuit, gray. It has tapered feet and it's sleeveless, and this is something that is year round. Like you could literally wear this year round, throw a sweater or coat on it. You could dress this up or down, believe it or not. I actually love this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep this. This is by the brand Gilt, and this is in a size 2X as well. I'm gonna tell you what brand this was. This is Paper Moon, and it's in a 2X as well. I'm probably gonna keep that jumpsuit. I'm gonna tell you that off the bat. That's super cute. What is this? Ooh, a blazer, honey, with a faux leather collar. Y'all know how I feel about faux leather. I love faux leather. This looks like it's a big cut though, so like maybe a boyfriend cut. This is by Liverpool, Los Angeles. This is in a size 2X. I think I saw this too. I don't think that I could tell it was snake print though when I saw it, so that's really cool. I like that a lot. That's cute. That's cute. And then looks like last but not least, we got a pair of shoes. Oh, this is a heel, honey. Ooh, okay, so we got a Vince Camuto suede chunky heel in a size 9.5. Smells good. It smells like it might be genuine suede, which is what I like. I like genuine leather thing, you know, shoes and purses. I love this heel. This is perfect and ideal for work wear. It's black, so it'll go with everything. I really like that. So there's that. Let's go ahead and get to trying on some stuff and see what we think. Okay, so here is the jumpsuit thing. I love this. I'm definitely keeping this. I love this pocket right here. It also has pockets on the side. I love the way it fits. It's super comfortable. I went ahead and put this piece on first because I can try on the blazer and the pumps and all that with it and show you guys how it looks dressing this up and down. But I love this and I love the way it fits. Super comfortable. This is definitely a keeper for sure. So let's go ahead and try on the first piece, which is this like sweater situation. Oh, this is comfy and cozy. It's a little bit big, but it definitely gives you cozy vibes. You could definitely wear the two together. So it definitely gives cozy vibes. You could wear the two together. They would blend just if you're wanting to be like comfy and cozy. Here it is up close. Again, I wish that this part was like that cascading, like open to make it a little more casual, because this cut is more formal to me, more dressy to me than if it was just like cascading and open. But still a really cute, comfy. Oh, this is a kind of a look. What do you think? You can't see. I have on my house shoes. They're real noisy. Hold on. Let's see if you can get the bottom of these pants. You see? Very, very cozy. I like this actually a lot together. It doesn't match per se, but you can wear it. You can definitely get away with it for sure. Just, this is exactly the casual vibe I was thinking when I was saying you could just dress this up or down, throw a sweater over it. This is the look I was going for. So here's this. Very cute. I think this may have changed my mind about this sweater. So we're going a little bit out of order because the things that I have just don't like go together this time around. So trying on this jacket. I thought I would love this jacket, but it's okay for me. Like, I'm not in love with it like I thought I would because of the faux leather and the snake print. It's okay. It fits nicely, I think. But knowing this brand, it's gonna be a bit pricier than I would be willing to pay and not be in love with. So, but I do love this faux leather feature, and I do love the snake print. Back up so you can see exactly how long it is. Here's how it fits, how long it is. That's what it looks like. Has pockets. I wish that this had faux leather on it too. That would be cute. Just to kind of tie in the little faux leather collar a little bit more. What do you guys think? It's cute. I'm just not in love with it. Okay, so here's the dress. It's giving me Little House on the Prairie vibes. I don't know how I feel about it. I like it, but it's like I wish that the material was not mesh, because I feel like the mesh material kind of cheapens it a little bit. I don't know, y'all. You tell me what you think. I think it's pretty. Here's the back. I think it's pretty. I just don't know how much I like it. I like the cut of it. I like the fit of it. I like how long it is. It's down to just above my ankles. And I think it's pretty. Again, I'm not in love with it. I have on the shoes also, which are extremely comfortable. And like I said, they are very work appropriate. There you go. Very work appropriate shoes. I like them. I'm not in love with them, and I could probably get them for cheaper somewhere else. But I'm still on the fence about this dress. The one thing that I know I'm getting is the jumpsuit. Tell me what you think. Okay, guys, let's go over everything and see what our note says. Hi, Brandie, and happy Fix Day. I'm so excited to be styling you today and can't wait to see what you think. I hope I can help you find some pieces you love. First of all, I apologize for sending you all black and gray pieces. I couldn't make the decision of which to switch out because they all seem so perfect for your eclectic but trendy, edgy, and sophisticated style, which I love. Let's plan to fill your next fix with color. I noticed you love jumpsuits, so I included the ghillie jumpsuit as your first piece, which I will be keeping and I do love. I love it because it can be dressed up or down. I absolutely agree. For a full dress up look, pair with your Liverpool blazer and Vince Camuto heels. Yeah, I was thinking that. What do you think? Thank you so much for rating, reviewing, and commenting on all pieces. Please continue to do that for this fix. It is so helpful for me. Enjoy Meredith. Meredith is not who usually styles me. I usually get styled by Mary, but we shall see what these cost. What this cost is what it's gonna cost me. Okay. So for the jumpsuit, it's $54. I know I'm getting that. The Vince Camuto shoes are $99. I'm probably not getting those just because I know that I can get them somewhere else for much cheaper. The Paper Moon dress is $68. I may or may not keep this. I'll ask my husband about this. The Liverpool faux leather jacket is $98. I probably won't keep that. And then the open collar Spruce and Market sweater is $58. I'm probably not gonna keep that either. So yeah, so right now I know I'm keeping the jumpsuit. Then this dress is a possible. Everything else is pretty much probably going back. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys later. Please remember to wash your hands, continue to social distance, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and continue to pray for me and my family, and I'll continue to pray for you and yours. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye.